the videos regularly, attend the live sessions regularly. Okay, then only you can learn properly. Okay, and in our last class, what did we learn? We learned about the ing form. And previous class, we learned about the use of is, are, or am in a sentence. So that you learned very well. Okay. And just I revised the grammar parts we learned in the previous classes. So first one is noun. What is noun? Yes, naming word. What is noun? Naming word. What is proper noun? Particular name. Proper noun, particular name. And we learned common noun. What is common noun? General name. Okay. General name we say common noun. And after that we learned about the action word. Okay. Action words. Okay. Doing actions. So what is the other word for action word? Verb. Okay. In grammar we say verb. Verb means action word. So we learned noun, verb. Today we are going to learn about pronoun. Okay, pronoun that we discussed in the last two classes. Okay, and I taught you the use of is or and ing form. I taught you. What did I teach you? I told you if there is singular noun or pronoun. Okay, singular noun or pronoun we use is. And if there is plural noun or plural pronoun we use are. So in that class I taught you what is pronoun also. So today we can discuss detail. Okay, in detail we can learn what is pronoun. Children, look at the sentences on the board. What is the first sentence? Sister Shaba is our principal. What is the second sentence? Sister Shaba is a good leader. The third sentence, Sister Shaba does many things for the students. Here look, Sister Shaba, Sister Shaba, Sister Shaba. The same word we are repeating. Yes. So pronoun means the word we use in place of noun, we say. Okay, so what is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun. Example, here Sister Shobha one time we used. Okay, then again we tell about Sister Shobha. So instead of Sister Shobha, we can use she. We can use she. Again here, instead of Sister Shobha, we can use she. Okay. So that we say. Here the word we use she instead of noun. So that we say pronoun. So what is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun. We say pronoun. All of you say what is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun. We say pronoun. So children, what is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun, we say pronoun. All of you say. So what is noun? Naming word. What is noun? Naming word. What is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun, we say pronoun. Okay. Then children, look at these sentences. Anil is a tall boy. Anil is a football player. Anil plays well. Okay, all sentences tell about Anil. So here first we use the noun itself. Okay, here we use the noun itself. Anil is a tall boy. To know the noun. So in the second place, again Anil. So in place of this noun, we can use other word. What is that word? He. So he is pronoun. Okay, and here also we can use he. Okay, so what is pronoun? The word we use in place of noun. Okay, so here we use the noun itself. When we tell about again, okay, about the same noun, when there we can use the another word. The word is pronoun. We can use pronoun. Okay, so here Anil is a tall boy. He is a football player. He plays well. Then it's okay. Okay, so to avoid the repetition of the noun. Look at this sentences. Okay. My father bought apples. The apples are fresh. So in the first sentence, my father bought apples written. Okay, two nouns are given. And in the second sentence, again tell about the apples. So here instead of apples, we can use they. We can use they. So my father bought apples. They are fresh. Okay. So here apple is plural. So we use they. This is a they plural pronoun. Got it? So now we can see singular and plural pronouns. Okay. So pronouns we can divide. Noun we divide singular and plural. Okay. Noun there may be singular noun or plural noun. So pronouns also there will be singular and plural. So which are the singular pronouns? He, she, it, his, her. Okay. Many pronouns are there. You in second standard learn less only. Okay. So which are the main pronouns? He, she, it, his, her. And which are the plural pronouns? We, they, us, them. Okay, plural pronouns we, they, us, them. And here ma'am wrote you like this. Okay, that means you may be singular and plural. Okay, you may be singular or plural. Dear children, complete the sentences with correct pronouns. What is the first question? Meena is Arun's friend. Dash stays near Arun's house. Meena is Arun's friend. Dash stays near Arun's house. So which is the pronoun we can use? Second sentence tell about Meena. Okay. So for Meena, girl. So we use she. So we use she. Okay. Meena is Arun's friend. She stays near Arun's house. Look at the second question. Shyam has a bicycle. Dash rides it every day. Shyam has a bicycle. Dash rides it every day. Here second sentence tell about Shyam. Okay, second sentence tell about Shyam. So it's a male. Okay, boy. So we use he. So we use he. Got it? Here Meena. So we use she. The pronoun we use she. Shyam, boy. So we use the pronoun he. Look at the third question. This is Kiran's bicycle. This is Kiran's bicycle. Dash a new one. So in the third sentence, okay, in the third question, the second part is telling about Kiran or bicycle. It is telling about bicycle. So we use it. So we use it. Okay, non-living thing. So we use it. So dear children, if it is boy, okay, if it is boy or male, male means boy category. So then we use singular, we use he. And if it is female or girl category, we use for singular we use she. And if like animals or any objects, singular we use it. Okay, animal, not animals. For animal or any object we use it. So for boy category we use he. For boy category we use he. For girl category we use she. For animal or object, non-living, okay. Non-living and animals we use it. And for plural, for all the plurals we use they, the pronoun they we use. Okay. Look at these sentences. Okay. Here in the first sentence, read the first sentence. Minu and I are friends. Minu and I are friends. Dash play every day. We want to use the pronoun. Here Minu and I. So it's plural. So it's plural. And children, if any noun and I, we use the pronoun we. We use the pronoun we. Any noun and I. Any noun and I, plural, we use the plural pronoun we here. Okay. So I and any noun comes together. So the pronoun we use we. But in the second sentence, you note, read the second sentence. Minu and Needu are friends. Minu and Needu are friends. Dash play every day. So what will be the answer here? They. Okay, here we use the plural pronoun they because Minu and Needu, two nouns. Two nouns. So we use they, the pronoun. But here, Minu and I, plural. So here we use the plural pronoun we. You understood the difference? Here, Minu and I. So any pronoun, any noun and I comes together in a sentence, we use the pronoun. And when we use two nouns, we use the pronoun they.